Are you wondering if someone has blocked you on iMessage? It can be frustrating when your iMessages don't get a response and it leaves you questioning your connections. This guide will provide you with effective methods to help you determine if you've been blocked on iMessages. Let's get started. Solution 1: check message status. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Select the conversation with the person you suspect that has blocked you. Look for the message status. If you see a single gray check mark next to your message, it means the message was sent but not delivered. If your messages constantly show a single check mark, it could indicate that you've been blocked. Solution 2: send an iMessage and check for response. Send a new message to the contact. If you don't receive a reply after a reasonable time, it's possible you've been blocked. However, keep in mind that they may simply be busy or not using their phone. Solution 3: try calling the contact. Open the phone app on your iPhone. Call the contact's number. If the call goes directly to voicemail without ringing, it might indicate that you've been blocked. If the call rings and goes to voicemail after a few rings, they might not have blocked you. Solution 4: use another messaging app. If you have another messaging app installed like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, try reaching out to the contact there. Solution 5: create a group chat. Open the Messages app, tap the pen and note icon. Try to add 2 or 3 people, including the number that you think might blocked you, and create a new group chat. If you can add them, it may confirm that you've been blocked on iMessages. By following these steps, you can gather clues about whether you've been blocked on iMessages. Remember, it's always best to communicate directly with the person if you have concerns. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tips and feel free to leave your questions in the comments.